Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to share Google Docs on WhatsApp. If you've been searching for a way to send a Google Docs document link in WhatsApp, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To share a Google Docs document on WhatsApp, first of all, open Google Docs in a web browser or the mobile app. Now, open the document you want to share on WhatsApp. Click on File in the top left corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover over Share, and then select Share with Others from the right side. Alternatively, you can click on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. If you are using a mobile app, tap on the three dots menu at the top of the document and select Share and Export from the menu. Under General Access, click this down arrow icon and select Anyone with the link from the pop-up menu. On the right side, you will see a drop icon. Click on this icon and select the role for the viewer. This includes viewer, commenter, and editor. From the bottom of the screen, click on the Copy Link button and the Done button. Now, open WhatsApp on your computer or mobile and go to the chat or group where you want to share the document. Paste the copied link into the message box and send it. You can also download the Google Docs file in PDF or any other format and send it directly on WhatsApp.